Hi, this is Ron from ron@pj.com. So, sorry, medyo may kayong konting range while shooting this video pero kailangan natin i-shoot to. Since a few weeks ago na simula nung nag-launch ang Realme Philippines ng kanilang new products under the Realme Tech Life lineup. And finally, we got this request from Realme Philippines. Hindi naman lahat ng produkto doon ma-review ko. And ito yung pinaka-interesado ko since hindi tayo nagkaroon ng chance na maka-review nung first na Realme Buds Wireless. So, this technically our first Buds Wireless review from Realme Philippines, which is Realme Buds Wireless 2 Neo. Um, Happy ako dito compared to sa Buds Wireless na 1. Kasi yung first is yung previous model, hindi man previous model, yung Buds Wireless to the one is USB micro USB lang. Ito is USB Type C na. So ito yung itsura ng box. Tapos makita niyo yung key specs nitong product na to, so which merong 11.2 large bass boost driver, 17-hour playback, magnetic instant connection, IPX4 water resistance. Importante to dahil sigurado gagamitin nyo pang exercise. So, halimbawa, ngayong rainy season, like right now, umulan ngayon while I'm shooting this one. Posible mabasa to. Tapos, ito, 10-minute charge for 120 minutes of playback. Which is, expect ko siguro to baka more than an hour to charge this one. Kasi 17-hour playback. Tapos may 88 ms low latency, which importante to kung baka naglalaro ka ng games or halimbawa, nanood ka ng movies na streaming videos while using this Buds Wireless. Good to know, pinadala sa atin ng Realme is the black version. So may NTC logo pa and compatible siya sa Realme, hindi natin kinasado. Works siya sa Realme Link app. So ito yung itsura ng box. So excited ako ma-check to kasi another thing compared to sa Realme Buds Wireless 1, 12 hours lang yung battery life. Ito 17 hours and compared sa TWS, I'm more into like this wireless earphones kasi patagal 12 to 70. Lalo if you have malayo yung biyahe. Bisa yung 4 to 6 hours na battery life sa mga TWS na typical, medyo pitin pa sa akin yun. So, tatanggalin natin ko papakita natin sa inyo kung nasa loob nito Realme Buds Wireless Studio. So, bago natin ipakita yung mismong device. So, ito muna yung iba panlaman ng Realme Buds Wireless 2 Neo. So, ito yung user guide, warranty card, tapos itong yellow team Realme, syempre. Realme na regular USB to Type C cable. Tapos, meron dalawang extra sizes ng ear tips. So, malamang ang gagamitin ko nito is the smallest one. Kasi meron na naka-shoot na buds dun sa loob ng mismong product. Tapos, ito na yung madadatnan mo pag first time mong buksan yung box ng Realme Buds Wireless 2 Neo. So, nakaporma siya with this one. And gaya na sabi ko, meron siyang ito yung standard na ear tip on this one. So, nabanggit ko, black yung nakuha natin model. Black yung kanyang band, tapos yellow team yung wiring, tapos yung dito sa buds area is fully black ulit. So syempre yung realme sticker in this one, then you have to pull this one off para pakita natin sa inyo yung ibang bang parte. So kaya nung sabi ni Realme, may magnetic magnetic tong dalawang yan, ano. So ito yung gagamitin mo, ito yung gesture para for play and pause the music. Tapos syempre ear tips on this one. Tapos kunyari ito yung nakaharap dito yung pag dito siya nakaharap, nasa kaliwang portion yung Realme. Medyo makikita nyo maigi doon sa close up natin na may konting texture yung part na to. Then with the Realme, then ito yung band na syempre medyo glossy, okay lang yun, normal na. Tapos asa kanang portion naman yung volume buttons, Tapos ito yung microphone. Tapos I guess ito yung play and pause button in this one. Then on this, medyo ano din, may texture din yung kanang portion niya. And ito is ito yung USB Type-C port, which I hope, not sure kung dapat yata nilagyan ng realme ng ano to, ng cover this one. Kasi mababasa to for some reason. And pag charge mo siya, pag nagkamali, pag saksak mo sa kunyari sa power bank siguro okay lang. Pero pag sinaksak mo rekta sa power outlet, tapos di mo alam nabasa pala to, baka delikado. So I hope, so better to check this. Lalo kung basa bago mo i-charge mo itong Realme Buds Wireless Studio. So that's it. We'll give the review soon. Ipopost natin yung written link sa comments or sa pin section. So that's it. Please like and follow our social media accounts below, and please subscribe to Ron at TJ on this channel. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching.